Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, September 9th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today and a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous two trading periods we had fairly small body candles at the end of a very strong first time frame uptrend and suggested that there was good potential for a change of trend. The previous day's trading we had a small black body which denoted the sellers making a small amount of net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, and a large shadow on the top and a shadow on the bottom of the body of this candle, suggesting that the buyers lost commitment as they were testing at the top of the cloud, and the sellers also lost commitment as they tested below the 1654 level and below the Tenkan-sen and down towards the bottom of this zone of strong support and resistance. It did set the market up for a potential lower high and lower low, a very volatile trading day, and importantly the market had been trading above that window that was set up, but still had failed to close above the window. Today we've seen the close above the window, suggesting that the buyers have taken control. A very large white body candle, and it's a very bullish candle with the buyers strongly in control at the close of trading and being strongly committed to trading this market higher for the entire day. We've also seen the market close above the Kijun-sen, giving us a bullish market in the medium-term time frame, and it's some time since we've seen that a change in sentiment in this market in the medium-term time frame. The market is trading up towards the top of the highlighted yellow zone, and that may act as strong resistance, so we do need to be aware of that. But with the body of this candle being large and white, it suggests that the buyers have once again found some solid upside momentum, suggesting that they may have a successful test above that area. The only problem here is that we had a window that was opened up previously, and that may offer itself a strong resistance even if the market does break out above the top of the cloud and above this yellow zone, not the strong yellow but the lighter yellow zone. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, the market for the previous day's trading had interacted with the 161.8% level for the second consecutive trading day. It suggested that there was a very strong possibility of this market coming off, but this highlights how important it is for confirmation, and we've seen follow through today and suggesting that the buyers are now strong once again. And we need to remember that indecisive, that spinning top type candles are candles of indecision, that they represent neither side being strong in the market, and the market can trade either way. So you're looking for confirmation of a potential change of trend, but also confirmation of a continuation of the trend, and that's what we've seen today. Now with this market testing to higher levels, we have the 261.8% level coming into play. That's at 1677, so that will offer a barrier to this market if it does break out above the cloud. And a similar scenario with the Fibonacci retracement, price rejection for two consecutive trading days from the 161.8% level, also rejection from the top of the cloud. As we've seen, the market has a strong possibility of testing up towards the 261.8%. If we see selling coming in, it may suggest a potential change of trend, but we can't preempt the market at the moment. In terms of Ichimoku, still a neutral to slightly bullish market. I don't think this market's really closed out above the top of the cloud. We've closed just at the edge of the cloud, so technically giving us a neutral market in that long-term time frame. But this strong bullishness that we've seen into the market today for this test does suggest that the buyers may be attempting to find the momentum to break out to the upside. In terms of the Kijun-sen, as I've mentioned, the market is now trading above the Kijun-sen. That Kijun-sen had turned flat, price action wasn't attracted back towards there, and that's a significant feature that we all should remember about the Kijun-sen. When it turns flat, a very strong possibility of price action being attracted back towards it. And the Kijun-sen represents equilibrium in that medium-term time frame, and the market moves from disequilibrium at these levels when we have the termination of these strong trending moves, coming back towards the equilibrium suggested by the Kijun-sen. Now this strong bullish breakout above the Kijun-sen gives us a lot of faith in the breakout up above the Kijun-sen, suggesting there is a possibility of this market trading to higher levels. So what we want to see is further bullish follow through and a bullish close perhaps up above this level, the upper level of this highlighted yellow zone in the lighter yellow colour. In terms of the Tenkan-sen, bullish market in the short-term time frame, with the market trading up above there a few trading periods ago, a strong bullish breakout suggesting the buyers had found some solid momentum, closing that window and now trading to higher levels. The Chikou span is below the corresponding price action, so the Chikou span is actually out of step with all of the other indicators. So that's giving us a bearish market, so bearish momentum in this market in that longer term time frame. So it does raise some doubt about the market's ability to trade to high levels, and this is suggesting that the market may find resistance either at the top of the cloud at the moment, at the top of the lighter yellow zone, or at the within this window that was open, this bright yellow zone, and that's a real possibility. So moving forward, the high of the current candle becomes critical to this market if it is going to trade higher, but certainly we should be watching below the where the market is at the moment, below the low. Very strong support at 1654 and then down to the Tenkan-sen around 1650, suggesting we have a good solid floor below this market, but we could see a market that's range bound. This follow through has been good, and it is a very strong buyer's market at the moment here, but let's look for a potential higher high and higher low and a bullish close up above the cloud.